This is your vehicle's serpentine belt tensioner, and in today's video I'm going to be highlighting a critical error that many BMW owners make that could cause a catastrophic engine issue which will lead to thousands of dollars in repairs. So this component's job is to hold tension on the serpentine belt, which therefore powers all of your accessories on the front half of the engine, including your power steering pump, your alternator, and many other secondary accessories. And now it's a very simple mechanism. You simply use a T60 or similar sized socket to loosen or tighten the slack from the serpentine belt. And from there, it's completely normal to replace this component at least once during the ownership of your vehicle. But something many BMW owners completely overlook is they reuse their one-time use aluminum bolt that holds this tensioner to the engine block. And if you do this, it becomes a critical issue because over time, due to heat exposure, wear, and over torquing, you'll notice one day while you're driving the vehicle, all of a sudden, the head of the bolt will shear off and the rest of the bolt will be stuck fully flush inside of the engine block. And this becomes a massive issue, not only because your tensioner can come off while driving and damage your radiator and all of your other front end accessories, but you'll now notice that you can simply pull the tensioner from the engine and our bolt is stuck in the block, which means that there's no way we can loosen it out using a simple socket or common hand tool. We now have to drill it out of the engine. This means you need to use a screw extractor or a similar tool, and one small mistake here can lead to catastrophic engine damage because if you accidentally drill incorrectly, you can shear off the factory threads that hold that bolt and the tensioner to the engine, meaning that a super simple job has now turned into a critical job that could put your vehicle out of commission indefinitely. And all of this could have been prevented just by simply replacing this cheap $10 serpentine belt tensioner bolt. And so next time you need to remove your serpentine belt tensioner, just know it is 100% non-negotiable. You must replace the bolt 100% of the time, because this simple aluminum bolt is a one-time use, meaning that once it's torqued down, you cannot simply untorque it and use it again. So unless you want to drill this bolt out of your engine block and risk permanently damaging it, and at its worst needing to pull the engine from the vehicle, then be sure to replace the tensioner and the bolt in conjunction and avoid this headache altogether. But thank you guys so much for watching. If I can even save a single person from running into this issue, then this video was well worth it. And hit the links in my video description below to purchase these replacement parts to do this job the correct way.